Yo guys, there's a hummingbird somewhere up here. It just flew up here. It just flew somewhere up here. Let me see. I could have sworn I just saw it fly up here. Long beak, long flapping wings.
You need to put the water up on that tree.
It's not too late. Let's go. It's not. We can still get him up. Let's just hope I don't get attacked by one. Mom, but I had no clue they had hummingbirds down here. Isn't a hummingbird like long, thin beaks, small, like their wings flap, like their wings, like their wings flap. It's somewhere. I'm for real about to get on this chair, Mom, and get that trap. I'm for real and get that food.
Put that in the chair and get it.
I got no choice but to.
I'm gonna get your daddy to get it.
Can you come over here? You're not gonna hold the chair or nothing?
You got it.
Mommy, so you're not gonna hold the chair? Wait, it's a.
No, that's the sun.
But Mommy can't. The sun can't
We
get.
got to change it. How many days did they tell us to keep this?
Well, Mom, they didn't say exactly like any certain amount. Yo, God. The heck is? No, Mom, don't put on that one right there. Put on mine right here, right here. I mean, no, because, like, we can't.
Yeah.
But, Mom, the hummingbird is somewhere in this tree. This is so cool, Mom.
Stay right there.
I know it's...
Right there.
Yo. That is the coolest. I'm sorry, but I didn't get on camera in time. Because, Mom, I saw it the other day. Because for some reason, it always comes to, like, this certain branch right here.
Really?
It's like every time, it's always this certain branch somewhere up here. Wait, no. It's somewhere right there, right here, these certain branches. So maybe we should put it, like, here, because this is always where it comes to.
Let's see if we go right there first.
Yo, I'm sorry if this was a little bit of a boring video. Peace.